to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have Stitch Fix unboxing today. Let's just get right into it. We're going to open her up with our trusty Rusty. You say it. Screwdriver! Here we go. How y'all doing? I'm doing okay. Thanks for asking. I had a Bloody Mary when I got home from work, and it's been a long week. We have the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep, which is usually, I usually try to keep one thing, if anything at all. You know, it's fine. Do you like my Jimmy Buffett shirt? I got it at Marshall's. If you don't know what Marshall's is, it's like a, discount clothing, home decor store. Shoes, you get it, the stuff. Let's read our note. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you would like to, there's a referral link down below and you can get $25 towards your first box. And I would get $25 too. And when you sign up, I really appreciate it because it helps me to get more boxes. Oh, it's another new stylist, I think. Hello, Rachel. It's great to have you back. Oh, I guess not. Maybe? Have you back for another fix? I am thrilled to get to, I think it was Rebecca last time. I am thrilled to get to style you today. I'm so sorry your last fix wasn't a home run. I don't think I kept, did I keep anything? I kept the romper. After reading your feedback and checking out the pieces that you loved and kept in the past, I set out to curate a fix that is closer to the style you love. Thank you for utilizing the fix preview. I received your note, but I couldn't find too many pieces to meet your requests. I don't remember what I wrote. Did you know you can shop for items now directly from our website? Oh yeah. And if you already do Stitch Fix, I don't know if the sale is still going on. I'll try to get, it's probably not. They do sales. They'll do like special sales and stuff. I don't know. You get it. It's fine. Each style is recommended for you based on your profile, and you may be able to find the pieces you are looking for. I don't remember what I'm looking for. In the meantime, I picked out the Market & Spruce sleeveless jumpsuit for your upcoming trip. Oh yeah, I'm going on a trip, a weekend trip, to my husband's cousin's house. That'll be fun. Cheers, Brittany. Here we go. We go over prices at the end if this is your first time here. Hello. And let's see our little cute bundle. There she is. She's adorable. Here we go. Yeah, I guess maybe I asked for stuff to go on that trip. I don't remember. First thing, Les Cellian Wendy puff sleeve knit top in black. Let's see here. Ooh. Got some little sheer puff sleeves. That's cute. Say it with me. That would be nice for work. I could wear that to work. She's cute. I like that. I like her little puff sleeves. And next we have the MPG Sport Madison Longline V-neck in light green. I like that too. She's soft. Kind of like got a little slight dolman sleeve. She's kind of cute. It's like an aqua color. Little high-low hem. Very cute. Ooh. Ah. E. And we have a jumpsuit. Market & Spruce SL back cutout crop jumpsuit in black. Oh my. Little back cutout action there. See that? How do you wear a bra with that? That's going to be difficult. So I definitely need to wear one. But otherwise, she's pretty cute. Does she have pockets? Oh, she doesn't. And I do already have a black jumpsuit like this. So like if this were a different color, maybe, but I already have a black jumpsuit and that one has pockets and it's from Amazon. And I think I talked about it in my last fix. I'll try to link it down below. But yeah, so no pockets. Next we have some cute little shorts. So this is what I picked from the fix preview, and in the note, like you can pick some stuff and then put another little extra note. And I did ask for them to send it in an extra large, but they sent it in a large. But it's by Kaylee. Did I read this? Did I read the jumpsuit? Market & Spruce SL back cutout crop jumpsuit. I did. This is the Kaylee Taylor extra high-rise short in olive size large. So I wanted these in an extra large just for like a little extra length and then like a little extra room. But they have pockets, so that's nice. And lastly, we have the 41 Hawthorne Beatrice maxi dress with side slit in black size large. she's kind of cute. And then she has like a smocked back. So it's a little stretchy. And she has pockets. She has pockets. I do have a wedding coming up in August. This might be cute for that. We'll see. Okay, let's try things on. Okay, here's the puff sleeve top and the shorts. I do wish they would have sent these in an extra large, but the length is nice. They're just a little too tight through here for my liking. But they're comfy, they're really lightweight. I don't know if they're see-through. I guess I'll see when I watch this back, but here's a top too. I don't know, I think it might be a little too puffy. Maybe if it were a different color, it wouldn't look so like, I don't know what the word is. Football player, I always kind of feel like a football player when it's like big puffy sleeves. But yeah, here's shorts. I don't think so. Nice length though, and I like the color, but I think this is a no and a no. I kind of like this dress. It's really, really pretty. And the pockets start right up here, like right at the bust, so they're not like right there. So you can just, okay, let me show you the length. I kind of really like it. It's probably expensive, hello. Look, it's got a little side slit. I don't know. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. And hello. Yeah, there's my shower. I don't know how I get the camera so off center, but I do, and it's fine. This might be the winner for a wedding I'm going to in August. I kind of love it. I think I really like it. Okay, let's try on some other things, but I think I really like it. You can almost wear a normal bra with it. I think I would probably still wear a strapless one. But here's the back too, with the smocked back. And then the straps are adjustable, so that's really nice. So I could like have it go down a little bit more if I wanted. That's kind of really nice. Okay, let's try on more things. Okay, this is super cute too. Like I kind of feel like Sandy at the end of Grease, you know? But there's no pockets, missed opportunity. And then here's the back. The cutout is cute, but here's my bra. So I think maybe if you wore a black bra with it, it'd be fine, you know, whatever. But here's my bra. And if I pull it down, you know, it's definitely cute. Definitely cute. But I do have a black jumpsuit already. But I do like the square neck of this. And the straps are thick, so that covers up your bra there. But it really needs pockets. Designers, women want pockets for our hands and candy and pepper spray and, you know, things like that. We want pockets. Thanks. Last but not least, we have this top. And it feels really great. I gotta be honest. If I don't get that dress, which I think I should, I would get this top because it's super cute, high-low, easy tuck-in, just nice casual day. You could wear this, you could wear it to work as well. But it's a really pretty color. Here's if you tucked it all the way in. Here's if it's untucked. It's got that like high-low hemline. I think that's really cute too. I really like the color. It's kind of like a mint. I know it says sage, I think, on there, but it's definitely more minty. I think it's really cute. Just do a little tuck. Adorable. Do I get both? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, let's go over prices. Prices! Here we go. So those shorts are on sale. The Kaylee Taylor Extra High Rise Short in olive, $29.97. That's on sale for Stitch Fix. It doesn't give you the original price, but Marketing Spruce sleeveless back cutout jumpsuit, $54. The Amazon one I think is $38. I'll try to link it below. 41 Hawthorne maxi dress with side slit, $78. It was really cute. I really liked it. I have to try out the strapless bra, see if I still like it, if it's comfortable, but I did really like it. The MPG Sport Madison Long Line V-neck tee, $36. If I don't keep the dress, I'm gonna keep that shirt. Very comfortable, very soft. Also, the dress is stretchy, so that's nice too. The Wendy puff sleeve knit top, the black one, that's a football player, $38. So the whole box is $235.97. If you keep everything, you get 25% off, making it $176.98. So it's either the dress, which I felt really good in. I really just don't want to spend $80 though. But we'll see. I'll show it to my husband, see what he thinks. He'll probably think, ooh la la. Yeah. Otherwise, I'm keeping that shirt. Yay! Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. Tell your moms. Moms love me. I love my mom. Anyway, okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.